Hello friends, today's lesson is DispatchQueue. So let's start. First of all, make, sorry, create delay function and print now and call this function create delay and print out the now. Add dispatch queue dot main dot async dot deadline dot now and plus 2. So print 2 second. So create some delay, current time plus 2 second added, and call this return. So print every after calling and 2 second. So print now and after 2 second call this function and print out 2 second. And adding some more, apply second is 4 and 6 and changing 4 and 6. Run out our code. So print now after 2 second, after 4 second, and after 6 second. Execute our dispatch queue function. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.